many women, getting pregnant can be extremely difficult, stressful, and just hard on your marriage. But there may be some simple things that you can do to help. Joining us live is Tami Quinn, the co-founder and director of Pulling Down the Moon Fertility Center right here in Chicago. Tami, thanks for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning, Tamron. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Welcome to Pulling Down the Moon.
Absolutely. You know, you've got some ladies in a yoga class right now behind you.
We do.
Tell me how you incorporate yoga into helping with fertility.
Well, yoga is just a wonderful exercise that anybody can do. And when we do yoga for fertility at Pulling Down the Moon, we're really focusing on a lot of stress reduction techniques because, as you probably know, women going through fertility are very stressed out.
Right.
So one of the things that we do is we also increase blood flow into the reproductive organs and encourage women to explore their bodies and see where they might be holding tension in their body so that they can learn to relax and feel better overall.
You know, and that's interesting. You mentioned the relaxation part of it. I have this bracelet on that I received from a center very similar to yours, and it's supposed to help you relax and meditate and block obstacles like fertility and other issues that you might be having in your life. I know that this is not from your center, but tell me what research there is to prove that just relaxing and meditation can help with fertility. Are there numbers and figures to back this up?
Well, we know that stress doesn't necessarily cause infertility, but that infertility can definitely cause stress. And when women are stressed out, they tend to be more prone to headaches, high blood pressure, depression, insomnia, bad eating habits. And once you start going with these bad eating habits and bad lifestyle, then sooner or later it can start to affect your fertility.
Now, you also offer acupuncture, and we have some video of it. Explain to me how acupuncture, in your opinion, can help with fertility.
Acupuncture is an ancient technique. It's been around for thousands of years, and I like to think of acupuncture as paying attention to the superhighway in the body, because there's all kinds of meridians that carry energy or life force throughout the body, and sometimes our bodies, because of stress or poor lifestyle habits, ends up getting clogged up in the traffic jam. So acupuncture and through the needle insertion and herbal therapy can oftentimes help clear out these energy channels. For fertility, it's great for egg quality and quantity, and even if you aren't going through fertility necessarily, it can help women with cramping during their menstrual cycle. It can help with headaches, general aches and pains, and it's also good for men.
You know, and it's good for allergies. I've had it done. But let me ask you, what's your average client like? Are you helping women who have tried more traditional centers and some of the other things that are out there? Because I've got to be honest with you, there will be people watching and who will say, acupuncture, yoga, you know, why can't you just go to a doctor or quote-unquote a real doctor?
Well, you know, that's a great question, and we actually do encourage our patients to go to doctors. We have a wonderful partnership with Fertility Centers of Illinois. We do patient education for them on a regular basis, and the doctors are finding that although the majority of their patients are doing a medical treatment and IVFs or IUIs, they're coming to Pulling Down the Moon so that they can feel stress reduction and feel like they're doing everything they possibly can to help increase their chances of conception. There's also research to show that acupuncture done before and after embryo transfer, if you're doing IVF, can substantially increase conception rates.
So all of the ladies behind you, they're trying to conceive. I don't see any baby pictures on the wall. Like at my doctor's office, there are baby pictures to prove. Yeah. How many babies? What's your record?
Well, we have a whole office filled with baby pictures. I'm sorry we can't take you there now, but I will tell you this, that 75% of the women who do our 6-week Yoga for Fertility program do end up getting pregnant after 6 months or within 6 months of the class.
All right, well, that's an excellent average, let me tell you. Well, if you want more information, just go to our website, myfoxchicago.com. Click on the Morning Bug for more information on this very innovative facility right here in our area, Pulling Down the Moon. Thank you so much, Tami. That's the full screen information on Thursday from 7 until 8:30. They're having something special, acupuncture seminar that you can check out. And we'll get all that information again on our website, myfoxchicago.com. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for having us.
Interesting.